Alright folks, Captain Banana here. Still Monday, January 11th. So I was having a discussion with David H. Him and his wife have a YouTube channel. And he's talking about, the George Foreman being too messy and all that stuff. And I decided to make a video. Yeah. That's my George Foreman grill. And right now it's heating up. And yeah. See, it has two sides, and well, the green light right there. The green light has lit, which means it's now up to temperature and it's time to stick the burger on. Of course, this isn't going to be easy trying to film this. And yeah, to film this, I had to check, see what the cat was doing, because I got my windows open. I don't want her jumping out. But anyway, it's going to be kind of hard to film this, and I kind of need 3 hands, and I only have 2. But I'll do my best. Alright. Oh, shit, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Take your burger patty. Stick it on the grill. Close the top. And it grills. All the grease falls into this little container right here, or this little trap tray, whatever the hell it's called. And then I have an old Gatorade jug that I pour all the grease trappings into after that, and then I clean it up with a paper towel. I mean, it is really simple. Takes less than 10 minutes to grill a burger. Yep, real easy. I have my plastic plate, have a knife, and of course a fork. And well, these are vape batteries, so. But yeah, it's real simple. Paper towel for cleanup. Just needs one paper towel. You wipe the grill out afterwards, and the grill's clean. Simple. Simple for a lazy bastard like myself. Yeah, that's my grease container that I pour all my grease into. Yeah, that's got a, I don't know how many burgers I've grilled, dumped the grease into that container, but yep. That's the grease trap, and that's the grease dripping down. When I was on Eric's truck, he would grill while the truck was moving. And I'd pull into a rest area or a truck stop or whatever, and food was ready. Yep. It takes less than 10 minutes to go from plugging the grill in and heating it, preheating it. Green light comes on, throw the burger on, and get to cooking. And watch all the grease just drip, drip, dripping down. Yeah, burgers grill pretty quick on this thing. Best $25 investment. I don't even think I paid $25 for it at Walmart. But yeah, best $25 investment I've made. I use the George Foreman every single day, unless I'm just too lazy to cook. But, yeah. Now the green light's lit again. I basically just use the green light as a way to tell when it's done cooking. And I have it plugged into an extension cord, so when I want to power off the George Foreman, I just... yeah. I just unplug it, and now the George Foreman is off. It's still cooking because it's still hot. And then I have tongs, and I use the tongs to pull the burger patty off, stick it on the plate, cut the patty burger up, and then I eat it. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than that. Well, I couldn't really film, or video, I guess you would call it, my, damn cat. Couldn't video, yeah, squirrel. Couldn't video, pouring out the grease drippings because, well, it takes two hands. That's the George Foreman after it's been cooked on. And well, I don't have three hands. I'm not really good at using the GoPro to film this. I'm going to burn the shit out of myself, I just know it. But anyway, just... wipe it off with a paper towel. Yeah, you wipe it off with a paper towel, and I mean, it's that simple.